Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into how Google's upcoming Pixel 9 Pro is set to revolutionize the smartphone industry. If you thought last year's Pixel 8 was impressive with its AI-first approach, you're in for a treat. This year, Google is not just redefining the smartphone landscape, it's fortifying its place at the top. Let's explore why the Pixel 9 Pro could be the most groundbreaking smartphone ever. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Last year, Google introduced the Pixel 8, marking the dawn of AI-first smartphones. With features like AI-driven photo editing, audio cleanup, and real-time transcription, it wasn't just about hardware upgrades, but how AI could be seamlessly integrated into everyday use. This set a new standard, not just for Google, but for the entire mobile industry. This year, Google is ready to build on that success with the Pixel 9 Pro. It's no longer about defining AI in smartphones, but about perfecting it. The Pixel 9 Pro will come equipped with even more advanced AI tools. Imagine editing your photos, transcribing meetings, or even summarizing web pages with unprecedented ease. These aren't just updates, they're breakthroughs. As Google advances with the Pixel 9, the competition is struggling to keep up. Apple's latest iPhone 15 series, launched just 2 weeks prior, lacked any significant AI innovations. Apple's first real entry into the AI smartphone race isn't expected until the iPhone 16's launch, and even then, it's playing catch-up. Meanwhile, Google is already shaping the future of AI on mobile devices. What makes Google's approach even more powerful is its broader AI ecosystem. From AI-enhanced search to intelligent spam screening and language translation, these aren't isolated features. They're part of a comprehensive AI experience that Google controls across all its devices. The Pixel 9 Pro isn't just a phone. It's a gateway to Google's AI-powered future. In conclusion, Google's Pixel 9 Pro is more than just the next iteration in a successful smartphone line. It represents the next step in the evolution of AI in our daily lives. As Google leads the charge into the second generation of AI smartphones, one thing is clear. The future of smartphones is here, and it's AI-driven. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest tech innovations. Thanks for watching.